Namaskar all. Myself JVM Dr. Kirti Joshi, Assistant Professor, Food Biotech Department. Today I am here with my next slide on cerebral vascular disease. The word cerebral vascular is made up of two parts. First one is cerebro, which refers to large part of the brain, and vascular means arteries and veins. Together, when the word cerebrovascular refers to blood flow in the brain, the term cerebrovascular disease includes disorder in which an area of the brain is temporarily or permanently affected by ischemic or bleeding, and one or more of cerebral blood vessels are involved in the pathological process. Cerebrovascular disease includes stroke, carotid stenosis, vertebral stenosis, distracting stenosis, aneurysm, and vascular malformations. Restriction in blood flow may occur from vascular narrowing, clot formation, that is thrombosis, blockage, that is embolisms, blood vessels ruptures, that is hemorrhage, lack of sufficient blood flow, that is ischemia, affects brain tissue and may cause a shock. Stroke. Stroke is an abrupt interruption of constant blood flow to the brain that causes loss of neurological function. The interruption of blood flow can cause by a blockage leading to more common ischemic shock, stroke, or by bleeding in brain, leading to more deadly hemorrhagic stroke. Stroke may occur suddenly, sometimes with little or no warning, and the result can be devastating. Stroke symptoms. Warning signs may include some or all of the following symptoms, which are usually sudden. That is dizziness, nausea or vomiting, unusual severe headache, confusion, disorientation or memory loss, numbness, weakness in an arm, leg, or the face, especially on one side, abnormal or slurred speech, difficulty with comprehension, loss of vision or difficulty seeing, loss of balance, coordination, or the ability to walk. Stroke types. Ischemic stroke is by far the most common type of stroke, accounting for a large majority of strokes. There are two types of ischemic strokes, that is thrombotic and embolic. A thrombotic stroke occurs when blood clot called a thrombus block an artery to the brain and stops blood flow. An embryonic stroke occurs when a piece of plaque or thrombus travels from its original site and blocks an arterial downstream. The material that has moved is called an embolus. Approximately 80% of strokes are due to ischemic cerebral infraction and 20% to brain. So this is the visual depiction of the stroke type. In most cases, the carotid or vertebral arteries do not become completely blocked and a small stream of blood strikes to the brain. The reduced blood flow to brain starves the cell of nutrients and quickly leads to a malfunctioning of the cells. As a part of brain stops functioning, symptoms of a stroke occur. A hemorrhagic stroke can be caused by hypertension, rupture of an aneurysm, or vascular malformation, or as a complication of anticoagulation medications. An intercerebral hemorrhage occurs when there is a bleeding directly into the brain tissue, which often forms a clot within the brain. Aneurysm is an abnormal balloon-like bubbling of the wall in the artery. Ischemic stroke is treated by removing the obstruction and restoring blood flow to the brain. Recovery and rehabilitations are important aspects of stroke treatment. In some cases, undamaged area of the brain may be able to perform functions that were lost when the stroke occurred. Rehabilitation includes physical therapy, speech therapy, and occupational therapy. This is all about cerebral vascular disease. Thank you for watching.